Hey, I'm Jay Holloway from the low country of South Carolina, and just wanted to let you know that I've been a part of GDU for over 5 years, and I highly recommend it, especially for small companies getting started. This group of guys today, for example, I was sitting down with guys that had very large companies, and just be able to just sit and listen and learn some of the things that they're thinking about. And the shocker was, I'm thinking about the same thing, just at a different size. I've been in the industry for 25 years. Up and downs, those kind of things have happened, but I never really made it to the first target level, which the first goal would be $1 million. But I got to tell you, when I first started in GDU, I was at about a quarter of that volume. Through talking with these people and solving the problems, I've been able to understand and do things and grow my company to this point. And as of today, we're in position to move on and grow, continuously grow. Guys, I'm excited. I've already planning out the next 10 years. And if you guys are thinking about GDU, I would highly recommend it as a garage door. Any garage door company needs to be a part and needs to come out and get involved with the Brain Trust.